Welcome to today's maths class. We are having a very interesting problem here. 5 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot dot up to 2x is equals to 0.04 to the power minus 28. Find x if x is greater than 0. What is 0.04 to the power minus 28? We will first simplify this. We can write 0.04 as 4 by 100, isn't it, to the power minus 28. So it will become 1 by 25 to the power minus 28, and further it will become 5 to the power minus 2, because 1 by 25 is 1 by 5 whole square, so we can write it as 5 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 28. So the simplified version of 0.04 to the power minus 28 is 5 to the power minus 2 into minus 28, which is plus 56. Why? Because a to the power m to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. This is the law of indices we have learned. So we have simplified the right hand side of the equation, and in the left hand side of the equation also we can simplify it a little bit. We will take common from the series. In the power of 5 we will take 2 common, and there will be inside 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot up to x, because the series was 5 to the power 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot dot up to 2x. So we are taking common 2 here, so inside the bracket there will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 up to x equals to 5 to the power 56. Now this is what? This is the series of natural numbers up to number x. So the formula we will apply here, it will become x into x plus 1 by 2 is equals to 5 to the power 56. Now what will happen? This 2 and these 2 will cancel out, and since we know that a to the power m is equals to a to the power n, then m becomes equals to n. So we will apply this formula here, and it will become x into x plus 1 is equals to 56. Now x into x is x square plus x into 1 is x, and we will take this 56 to the left hand side of the equation. So it will become minus 56, which will be equals to 0 at the right hand side. Now we can write this x as 8x minus 7x minus 56 is equals to 0, and we take x common, so inside it will be x plus 8 minus 7 common, it will become x plus 8, and we take x plus 8 common, so inside the bracket there will be x minus 7 is equals to 0. So two roots will come from this expression, is x is equals to minus 8 and x is equals to 7, as individually these two expressions, either of them will be equals to 0. So if x plus 8 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus 8, and if x minus 7 is equals to 0, then x is equals to 7. But with a condition that x is greater than 0. So x is equals to 7, and that is the only answer.